Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel Free Management Education. Today we will discuss about the new product development. The topics that will be covered today here, the categories of new product development, organizing new product development. The most important part is steps involved in new product development and brief explanation of each steps that are involved. Moving on. So why is the need for a new product? And there is categories of new product. Okay, so why is the need? Okay, new product development is crucial for determining the company's future. Obviously, with the advancement of technology in this century, the companies can challenge industry norms and apply imaginative solutions to build a new product. Okay, so now comes the categories of new product. So you should remember these definitions because these are important for NET or MBA examinations. Now, new to the world products. These types of product create an entirely new market. Okay, like example, Apple glasses. Okay, they are like smart glasses. Okay, now comes new product lines. These products are not new to the world but are new to the firm. Okay, so sorry, I've not written an example here. So just assume an example like if Dabur company have introduced Dabur pan masala like that. So that is a new product line for the company, for the firm. Okay. So next comes the addition to the existing product line. New products that supplement a company's established product lines are called addition to the existing product line. Like new flavors of kurkure. Okay. So they have already several flavors, but they are adding another flavor that supplements a company's established product. So that is addition to the existing product line. Then improvements in or revision to existing product line. New products that provide improved performance, a greater perceived value, and replace existing products are referred to as the improvements in and revisions to the existing product. Like launch of Windows 11, which we always assume that it is better than Windows 10 or the previous versions. Okay, that is the improvement and revisions to the existing products. Then comes the repositioning. It is about modifying the existing products or brands in some way to widen their appeals or direct appeals to other market segments. Okay, I am modifying the existing product so that it may appeal to different segments, to different customers, different only not only modifying but also adding features like that. Example, Tata Motors have Indica to target lower market segments. Now cost reduction. New products that provide similar performance at a lower cost are termed as cost reduction. So you already know this. Okay. So these are the definitions you should remember. Okay. Moving on. Now organizing new product development. Okay. So now product managers can be given the responsibility of new product development. New product managers, they are appointed to take care of the new product development professionally. New product committees and new product departments, cross-functional teams like they are 3M Dow General Means have assigned a new product development to venture teams. Okay, they are cross-functional groups and their sole concentration is on to develop the new product. So they are relieved of other duties. Okay, they are relieved of other duties and given a budget, time frame, and informal workspaces to develop new product. Then comes crowdsourcing. Here, the company use outside help. Okay, for the new product development. That is the internet let the companies engage external participants in the new product development process in rich and meaningful ways. These paid and unpaid outsiders can offer needed expertise or a different perspective on a task or project that might otherwise be overlooked. So external participants are there in crowdsourcing. Stage gate system. Here in this system, the innovation process is divided into several stages. At the end of each stage, there is a gate. Okay, gate or checkpoint. The project leader must bring a set of known deliverables or a set of known results to each gate before the project can pass on to the next stage. Okay, senior managers review the criteria at each gate to make one of the 4 decisions like go, continue the development process and introduce it, kill, drop the product, hold, maintain a status quo position, and then recycle. Okay, that is modify the product. So this is the stage gate system, that there are several stages like this, 4 stages where the project comes and the senior manager reviews at each stage and then decides then make one of the 4 decisions like go, kill, hold, or recycle. So these are the crowdsourcing, stage gate system, cross-functional teams, product managers, new product committees. Okay, so this is about organizing new product development. So now comes the steps involved in product development. Okay, you should know all the steps because these types of questions have already been asked in UGC NET Management and Commerce. Okay, you should remember all the steps. Okay, so the first one is idea generation. Like, is the idea worth considering? Or is the idea good or not? Then comes idea screening. Like, is the product idea compatible with the company objectives, strategies and resources? That is, if the product is in line with company's goals, okay, company strategies, company's financial position and all. Then comes concept development and testing. Like, can we find a good concept consumers say that they would try? So a good concept is required to attract consumers. Then marketing strategy, sorry. Can we find a cost effective, that is in least cost, that affordable marketing strategy or a good marketing strategy in least cost? Okay, that is the marketing strategy development, cost effective. Then business analysis. Will this product meet our profit goal? And this is done by forecasting, like various through MS Excel, through programming languages, business analysis is done. Then comes product development. Have we got a technically and commercially sound product? Is this product technically and commercially sound? Okay. Then comes market testing. Have the product sales met expectations? I have done the business analysis and done the forecasting that this will be the expected value, that is, this will be the expected sales value. Okay, so have the product sales met expectations? That is market testing. Then comes finally commercialization. That is, are product sales meeting expectations? If yes, then yeah, lay future plans and the product is developed. Okay, so these are the steps. Just go through them one by one. Okay. So now the first step is about idea generation. Here company comes up with many different and unique ideas based on both internal and external sources. Okay, internal idea sources more often than not refer to that in-house research development teams of the company, and external sources refers to the competitor innovations. Okay, so this is about idea generation. Then comes idea screening. The primary objective of this stage is to focus on the ideas that are in line with company's customer value and financial goals. Okay, which I mentioned earlier. This stage focuses on filtering out of ideas that are poor and not feasible, okay, and retain those that have good potential. This is to ensure that the company does not face losses, okay, by moving ahead and with fickle ideas that do not promise adequate returns. Then comes concept development and testing. In this stage, good product ideas must be developed into detailed product concepts that are conveyed in consumer oriented terms. That is how you present something to a consumer in the same way that good product ideas are developed into a product and then they are presented in front of product managers or something like that, just like you present in front of consumers. Okay, the concept must be made in order to project the product in terms of how it is perceived by consumers and how it will potentially be received in the market. Okay, so by which a set of by how the consumers see the product, that is the perceived by consumers meaning. Okay, this concept must then be tested. Okay, then it will be tested by presenting it to the target consumers and their response must be taken into account. Okay, after the concept development and testing, then comes development of marketing strategy. Here company tries to come up with strategies to introduce a promising product into the market and cost effectively. Obviously the company must therefore come up with price, potential revenue figures, as well as advertising and distribution channels in this step. Okay, so just go through these lines, you will understand the core concept of it. Okay, then comes business analysis. This is performing an in-depth business analysis will help you decide whether new product idea is worth the financial investment and resources. You will need to outline the total sales forecast, estimated costs, profit projections, and define your overall objective. This is business analysis. Okay. Then comes product development. This is the step that comes after the management of the company declares a product concept to be in line with the goals of the company and issues green light for development. Okay, The research and development wing of the company then works on the product concept for many months and even years in some cases to come up with the working and functional prototype of the product concept. Okay, this here a functional prototype is built in this product development stage. Then comes test marketing. Okay, this provides an insight into how the product will be introduced in the market, how the product will be advertised, how the product will be produced, packaged and distributed in the market and eventually sold to the customers. This is the test marketing, and therefore any optimization or any modifications need to be done. This should be done in this stage. Okay, then comes commercialization or the final stage. Here, based on the information gathered during the test marketing process, the business management may either decide to go ahead with the launch of the product or put it on back burner. That is, they do not produce the product. In case of go ahead is given, that is green light is given, the product is finally introduced into the market, and this process is called commercialization. Okay, this stage often leads to massive costs in terms of initial infrastructure investment as well as sales, promotion and advertisement, obviously. So these are the brief explanations of each step. Just go through them, you will understand it. So thanks for watching this video. This is a new channel, Free Management Education. Kindly like, comment and subscribe if you wish to. And if you want some specific videos on some specific topics, feel free to comment or reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description box so that you can contact me. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care of your family.